farmer in a village. He had 3 sons. They were always quarreling with each other. The farmer was very worried about their future. One day, the old farmer fell sick. He decided to bring unity among his sons. He called his sons and asked them to bring 4 sticks. They brought the sticks. The farmer asked the eldest son to tie them in a bundle. He asked them to break it. Each of sons tried but failed. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave 1 stick to each and asked them to break it. Each of them was able to do it easily. The farmer said, "Now you understand. If you are united, nobody can get better of you. But if you keep quarreling, you will be broken by anyone." The moral of this story is, union is strength. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.